are not just any chicken wings. These are air-fried Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings and oh my god, that is so good. Start by marinating your chicken in some salt, garlic powder, onion powder and some white pepper. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now combine some brown sugar with some garlic, mix it until it becomes a bit of a paste, then squeeze the life out of some limes and add in some fish sauce and a good mix and have a little taste. It was already pretty good at this stage, but we want to amp up the flavor by adding some fresh chilies and coriander. This sauce is unbelievable and you want to set that aside while you coat the chicken in some tapioca and cornstarch. Dust off any excess and line it on some baking paper. Now get your air fryer and spray the chicken on the surface with some oil spray and let it cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, giving it a flip halfway through. And once it's cooked, you should get something a bit like this. A moment of silence for how beautiful this chicken wing looks. Now pour the sauce all over the chicken and give it a quick toss. And I know you'll be dying to tuck in because I absolutely was. Oh my god. This is one you definitely want to save and try.
I'm posting a recipe every day for 100 days, and this is recipe number 99. My 30-minute creamy garlic Parmesan and chicken pasta. We start off by cooking our marinated chicken breast and setting aside. We're gonna deglaze the pan with some butter and saute our minced garlic and onions until translucent. Don't forget the salt, and all that's left to do is add in the heavy cream along with our thickening flour mixture. And while we let the sauce thicken, we're gonna put our brahmi pasta to boil in salted water. This pasta has 4 times the protein and fiber of other. It tastes way better because it's made in Italy with real Italian wheat, making this dish not only delicious but packed with healthy plant proteins and fiber. You're gonna love how quick, tasty, and easy this pasta is to make. Comment recipe and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. Make sure to tag me and Brahmi if you try it out, and I'll see you tomorrow for day
a childhood snack.
These are strawberry tanghulu. Listen.
And they're essentially candied fruit snacks that are in China. Okay, so traditionally they're not made with strawberries, but these strawberries are only £1.59 and they're also price matched to Aldi. With the candied part, you essentially want to boil 2 parts water to 1 part sugar until it becomes this amber color. Then you just want to carefully dip the strawberries into the sugar syrup and then drop it into ice water to help it harden, and it should be served immediately. There's such a fun way to eat fruits, and I can't wait for you to try this for yourself.
A recipe every day for the next 100 days, and this is recipe number 6, my 30-minute grilled cheese burrito. We start off by sauteing 1 diced onion, then we'll add in about a pound of ground beef before adding some spices and a little tomato sauce. Mix well and set aside. All that's left to do is layer our burrito. Add spicy mayo, some fried rice, sour cream, nacho cheese, crunchy chips, and finally lots of our juicy ground beef. Wrap it up and grill it until the crust is crispy and golden. Slice and enjoy, and that is it. Make sure to screenshot the full recipe on my website, and I'll see you tomorrow.